Looking for the best cancer treatment hospitals in India for international patients? Explore the top 10 hospitals in this comprehensive healthcare video. Discover top-notch facilities, expert care, and cutting-edge treatments in India's leading cancer hospitals. India has emerged as a leading destination for medical tourism, especially in the field of cancer treatment. With state-of-the-art facilities, skilled medical professionals, and cost-effective treatment options, many international patients are choosing India for their cancer care needs. In this video, we will explore the top 10 cancer treatment hospitals in India, catering specifically to international patients. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, APCC, Chennai is a renowned cancer center in India. Specializes in advanced cancer treatment modalities, holistic care approach, and patient-centric services. A patient from the UK opted for proton therapy at APCC for prostate cancer, achieving optimal results with minimal side effects. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon is known for its high-quality healthcare services. Offers comprehensive oncology services, state-of-the-art infrastructure, and expert oncologists. A patient from Tanzania received CAR T-cell therapy at Fortis Hospital for blood cancer, achieving complete remission and long-term survival. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon is a premier healthcare destination in India. Offers comprehensive cancer care, advanced diagnostic tools, and personalized treatment protocols. A patient from Nigeria underwent bone marrow transplant at Medanta for leukemia and received compassionate care throughout the treatment journey. Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai is a pioneer in cancer treatment and research in India. Known for its comprehensive cancer care services, cutting-edge technology, and renowned oncologists. A patient from the Delhi sought treatment at Tata Memorial Hospital for advanced lung cancer and experienced successful outcomes. Max Super Specialty Hospital, New Delhi are synonymous with excellence in healthcare. Provides advanced cancer treatments, personalized treatment plans, and supportive care services. A Uzbekistani patient received immunotherapy at Max Hospital for melanoma, witnessing significant tumor regression and improved quality of life. Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon is a dedicated cancer treatment facility. Known for its expertise in various cancer specialties, patient-friendly approach, and affordable treatment options. A patient from Kenya underwent robotic-assisted surgery at Artemis for cervical cancer, leading to a successful outcome with minimal scarring. HCG Cancer Center, Bangalore is a leading cancer care network in India. Focuses on precision oncology, genomic testing, and cutting-edge treatment options. A patient from South Africa underwent cyberknife radiosurgery at HCG for brain tumor, experiencing precise targeting of the tumor with minimal radiation exposure to healthy tissues. Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai is known for its world-class healthcare services. Offers advanced cancer treatments, integrative medicine approaches, and compassionate care. A patient from the Zimbabwe opted for targeted therapy at Nanavati Max for breast cancer, achieving a significant reduction in tumor size and improved quality of life. Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad is a leading healthcare provider in India. Specializes in complex cancer surgeries, multidisciplinary tumor boards, and personalized care plans. A patient from Saudi Arabia underwent robotic-assisted surgery at Yashoda Hospitals for pancreatic cancer, leading to successful tumor removal and improved quality of life. Aster Medcity, Kochi is a prestigious healthcare institution. Offers multidisciplinary cancer treatment, personalized care, and innovative therapies. An Iraqi patient underwent complex brain tumor surgery at Aster Medcity and received excellent post-operative care, leading to a full recovery. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in cancer treatment in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.